Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to give you guys a planner update. I've shared my planner rut that I was in over the past week or so, but I wanted to share where I'm at right now with my planner and what I'm kind of going to be working with this summer. So I still have my half letter notebook from the flip that I did in the previous video. It's still the same except for one major thing. I switched out the paper. I decided to forego the Stalogy paper, and this is grid paper from Staples. And thankfully my sisters are still in high school, and well, one is about to graduate and she definitely didn't need the grid paper anymore, so they gave it to me. I didn't have to buy any. But you can get grid paper from Dollar Tree. You can also put this whole planner together. The discs are like $5, the regular discs from Michael's. Plus if you get a coupon, and then grid paper from Dollar Tree is of course $1. And then you can get a chopping mat and DIY your own cover. And then when you put that all together, if you don't add a coupon, that's under $10 to make a planner. And I think that is amazing and very cost effective. You know, people think that you have to have these fancy layouts and everything to have a planner and it needs to be expensive. That's not the case. I love the bullet journal style and I love this size, this half letter size, which is close to an A5. So I wouldn't say that it's planner piece because I'm all for trying new things in the planner world. I do have FOMO a lot, like a lot of other planner babes out there, but I am planner content right now. So I ditched the Stalogy paper because when I hole punched it, it was up here at the top that it was very, very flimsy. And for anybody that has ever used a Stalogy, it is not, it's just very, very thin paper. The Stalogy also has a lighter grid. This is very, very prominent, but for me, I don't really care. Here's what my week on 2 pages looks like. And this paper is coming out a little bit because the holes at the top, they're very, very, this is because of my hole punch. I'll show you guys. Like this right here is very like, the cut is very thin compared to what it's supposed to be, which is that. So this paper is a little bit thicker than the Stalogy paper, but having that incorrect punch with the Stalogy paper just didn't work because the papers weren't able to turn correctly. Now when it comes to drawing my lines, I just use this little divider here I got in the stencil pack from the Happy Planner line. Of course, I love Happy Planner products. Using a lot of Happy Planner stuff still. I still have my Happy Planner stash. I'm still going to use it. And then my divider, I took the dividers from my Stalogy and I basically just moved them into here. So that is that. That's a quick update on this. I did go ahead and add some stickers to the front. But just a quick FYI and some quick facts on what this planner consists of. Happy Planner disc. This is a poly-like cover from the Staples Arc line. Like I just said, paper source stickers. The paper on the inside is grid paper that I cut down using my Fiskars paper trimmer and my Levenger hole punch. I would recommend getting an actual hole punch instead of this Levenger one. That's just personal preference. You could also probably have a little more an easier time punching the holes with a Happy Planner hole punch as well. And yeah, that's it. So that's what's on the inside. I'm happy with that. The other thing that I'm excited to use is this petite planner from Erin Condren. I got this in the Erin Condren surprise box. I'll have that link below as well as the review and how I set this up. I did review this from cover to cover, and I shared all of the journaling prompts that are inside. But I am just like in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I absolutely love this thing, and I'm making use of my stickers that I wasn't using. So I mentioned in the previous video that you could put pictures here, but you can also put quotes and stuff here as well. And it's something that I've been getting into every day. I don't go in order with the prompts. I literally flip through the pages and pick which one I want to write about. And if I'm doing 4 or 5 a day, some days I do none, other days I do 1. It depends, but I'm definitely loving this. And the great thing about this is that it does fit inside of here. So if I wanted to just stick this in the back of my planner like so and put this in my bag, it does have a lot of weight to it, I will say that, but it fits in here because it's like that similar A5 size. So this is my planner update. I just wanted to share that with you guys so that when I do future videos, it's clear as to what changed inside of here. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I said this one would be a quick one, so I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will be sharing videos on how I'm making dividers for this planner because I do want it to be a little more jazzed up. So I'll be sharing that process with you guys. If you have any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. My blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.